I was given this rug so that I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look. As soon as you open the box, you are gonna see that it has a really nice, thick woven texture to it. And I really love the edging that they chose. I feel like that's gonna stay put really well and has a really nice quality to it. The back has this nice rubber grip on it so that it is going to stay in place. I love that it is so many different kinds of colors woven in there, just because that's really gonna help hide any dirt or imperfections that we might have. So I am excited to give this a try.
I placed this in a few different places inside my home, but I started in the kitchen right behind the sink because that is somewhere that myself or someone is always standing. And so I wanted to give it a try, and I was impressed with the quality of it. The pile on it is really thick, so it feels great on your feet. It's nice and grippy, and I walked over it over and over again, and it didn't move at all. So it's really snug and secure, especially to like a kitchen wood or tile floor. It's going to be really great. I love that I feel like this is going to be easy to clean, and it has so many different shades. I think there's 6 different shades in here. That's really going to help hide that dirt and walking over and over again. It was soft to the touch without being slippery, and I just loved the style of it. I feel like it can go with so many different things inside of the kitchen, and there's just a fun pop of color in there as well. So I definitely recommend this. I think that it's really great.